Hey Legend fam, Anthony here, Legend Boat Sudbury. Today we're going to take a walk through one of my used packages here, a 2019 Splash Plus Flex. We're going to start at the rear of the boat to see what kind of horsepower we're working with. This unit here is powered with a 60 command thrust, so that's going to ensure you have lots of power at the back to get you to and from your fishing spot. Transom Saver as well, already equipped. As you can see here to my left as well, we do have this beautiful long boarding ladder, so it's going to make it very easy. It goes nice and deep in the water to get back into the boat after a nice dip in the lake. Alright folks, we made it inside the Splash Plus Flex. As you can tell right off the bat, we do have this 3/4 enclosure, which is a great option for, season extenders out in the fall, or even get out there early in the spring. That's going to keep you nice and warm and toasty. A lot of clients will also use the zip downs here as well too. So that's actually going to be one of your, like a bug net kind of thing. It's going to keep all those mosquitoes out and, keep them from nipping at you. At the helm here, we have all of our controls right down to the horn. We have our nav lights. One of my favorite things as well is we do have some additional accessory switches too with power already there. So if you guys want to add some lights to it, underwater lights, extra fish finders, whatever you want, they're all there for you. RPM gauge here, we have voltage for your battery as well. Fully equipped with a stereo system, fully Bluetooth as well with 2 speakers here in the floor. Equipped with an awesome accessory that I absolutely love is the electric anchor. So you can't see it right now, but there is a switch for it, so it makes it easy up, down. The anchor comes up, it goes down at your discretion. The layout here in the front is designed to be a little bit of a lounger, so you have your L couch here, a little bucket chair here, as well as a chaise lounge right there as well. Removable table, so if this kind of is in your way, if you guys are moving back and forth, we got some fishermen at the back, we can pop this out and store it away in one of the, under the seats here. We have storage everywhere. I can lift any of these up and you're going to find some storage. Let's take a look at the back of the boat here where the fishing happens. Alrighty, so we made it to the rear of the boat where the fishing kind of happens in this particular unit. I'm sitting on one of 2 fishing chairs. These are removable too if you want to, move around and cast out there as well. We have this Livewell, tournament size Livewell with your measuring board on the top here, so you can see how big that catch actually is. Opening it up, it is fully aerated as well, so you can keep that catch nice and fresh. Right here is where you're going to stow your fishing rods when you're not using them, kind of right here. Moving to the back, we have 2 cup holders to keep you hydrated out there when you're in that beaten sun. Back here we have rod holders for trolling, so if you want to do a little bit of trolling out there as well too, you have that capability as well. Right here we have a dry storage, so wallets, whatever you want to put in there, your phone maybe, so it's on standby for when you reel in that big fish. Lots of goodies that are going to be found at the back of the boat here. One of the great things about this unit as well is you have full Mercury Platinum Protection on your outboard. So what that's going to bring is top to bottom coverage, worry-free boating until the year 2027. If you're interested in viewing this unit or want to see it in person with myself, you are more than welcome to come check us out. Listed at $36,999. It's sure to go pretty quick.